Do you have any idea about the inductor? There are various types of inductors available inside the mobile phone PCB board. So after watching this video, you will be also able to recognize those types of the inductor coil which is available inside the mobile PCB board. Hello everyone, it's me 𝗨𝙩𝙩𝙚𝙬. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any delay, let's begin our tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my computer screen. So from today I'm going to teach you about the inductor or coil. Okay, so guys, now you can see this is the image of the inductor or coil. So now we can see this is too much large types of the inductor, but these types of the inductor is not available inside the mobile phone PCB board, but this is the example of the inductor coil. Okay, so this side also now you can see there is the inductor coil. Inductor is one of the useful small components available inside mobile phone PCB boards. It is also known as choke, reactor and coil. Coil stores the energy in its magnetic field. Inductor is made by insulated wire, and those types of insulated wires are wrapped in inductor in proper way to create magnetic field. Some of the inductor help us to block the current and pass in forward section. Okay, the main function of inductor is to create magnetic field. The other main function is that it will help us to remove unnecessary signals. We can use this on for grounding also. Okay, so in some cases we can use inductor as in the ground also, and it will help us to create the magnetic field. So that's why the inductor coil is one of the important components which is available inside our mobile phone PCB board. The measurement units of the inductor is Henry, which is denoted by capital letter and L. Okay guys, so now discussing about the types of the coil in the smartphone. Okay, so there is so now you can see this is again I'm showing the images of the coil. So the first types of the coil is the visible inductor. Okay, so and the second one is the iron core inductor, and the third one is the dual color inductor, and the fourth one is the boost or power inductor, and the fifth one is the array inductor. But in the modern phones there will not be available the array inductor, so today we will only discuss about the four types of the inductor. The first one is the visible inductor, the second one is the iron core inductor, the third one is the dual color inductor, and the fourth one is the boost or power inductor. Okay guys, so now we are discussing about the visible inductor. So visible inductor can easily recognized by everyone. We can easily see the insulated wire from the outside. Everyone can easily find out these types of the inductor or coil. Okay, so now we can see here this is the images of the visible inductor, and now you can see easily from the outside the insulated wire in this kind of the inductor. Okay guys, so visible inductor especially can be found in the way of speaker, Wi-Fi IC, and in the way of network. If you are also getting problem to find out those types of inductor, then let me know the problem in the comment section. Okay guys, so now we can see this is the images of the visible inductor, and you can see the visible insulated wire from the outside. So these types of the inductor known as a visible inductor. So now we are discussing about the iron core inductor. So this is the images of the iron core inductor. Okay, iron core inductor is made by using iron core, so that this inductor get the name as iron core inductor because it contains iron core. This inductor look like the voltage dependent resistor or barrier. Okay, before we discuss about the voltage dependent resistor in our previous video, if you didn't watch that one, you can check my playlist also. So I'm going to show you the playlist also and I'm going to give you the playlist link in the video description, so you can check that one to know more about what is voltage dependent resistor. And especially iron core inductor can be found in the path of microphone, because it helps us to make the clean voice. If you are also getting problem to find out the iron core inductor, then let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so if you don't know, if you are still getting any kind of issue to find out the iron core inductor in the mobile phone PCB board, then let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so now we are discussing about the dual color inductor. So now you can see this is the images of the dual color. Okay, so especially those types of inductors contains two color as its name. Okay, so now we can see in the images also there is two color, right? So in this side there is a white color, in this side there is a black color. Okay, dual color inductor can be find out easily by looking its color, because it contains two color. Most of the dual color coil half side should have white color and another half side contains another color. In most of the cases, or in most of the dual color inductor, now we can see here it will contain two colors, and in the half side there will be always the white color. So we can easily find out the dual color inductor in the mobile phone PCB board. So if you are still getting confusion to find out the dual color inductor in the PCB board, let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is our last types of the inductor. So this is the boost or power inductor. So now you can see this is the images of the boost coil or power inductor. Okay, most of the boost or power inductor can be found in rectangle or in circle shape. Okay, so now you can see here few of them are in the circle shape and few of them are in the rectangle shape. Those types of the boost in inductor can be easily found in PCB board by looking at its sizes and shapes. Okay, the main function of boost coil is to boost the needed voltage. Especially boost inductor are used for keypad lights or for the display light. You can find out boost inductor in the nearest area of IC. Okay, in the most of the cases the boost coil can be found in the nearest area of the power IC, because it will help us to boost the power or boost the voltage. So that's why it will be nearest area of the power IC. So you can find out there, so you can check there, and you can check this kind of the boost coil. Okay, so today we discuss about the four types of the coil or inductor. The first one is the so today we discuss about the totally, just wait for a moment, I am just going to show you all the slides from the beginning. So now you can see that we discussed about the visible inductor, iron core inductor, dual color inductor, and boost or power inductor. So hoping that you get few ideas about the inductors which is available inside the smartphone PCB board. That's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about the inductor, and if you have still any kind of confusion about the inductors or coils, then let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.